So my name is Mandeep and I'm from Nagaur, Rajasthan. There's a small place, small town in Rajasthan, and I belong to that place named Meta City. And I did my graduation from Ramjas College. So I have a political science background. I have an interest in public policy, public administration. So that is the thing. During my college days, I got interest in grassroots level developments and in development sector. So yeah, that led me to DEF and that changed my journey. During my internship in Niti Aayog, I was working with aspirational blocks programs there. So they recruited fellows like from all over the country, and I was really keen to get those experience by myself, and I wanted to be a fellow. But yeah, I was looking for fellowships everywhere. I got into some fellowships and I heard about some fellowships, but that didn't satisfied me that much. So that led me to DEF, and DEF is I think the best suitable platform for me, which I was looking for so long. And yeah, so I'll be able to work on the grassroots level with the community, and also with the digital thing. I will be able to look into the society with a digital lens, how we can connect education with digital, and with health, and with women empowerment, with women's employment, and everything will be connecting to digital. So yeah, I think that is my So before this fellowship, I was thinking in a very narrow way. I just digital means connectivity, mobile, laptop, and that's it. Nothing else. So I'm learning so much throughout the orientation, and still I'm learning, and I want to learn more in this 12 months. To be very honest, I was expecting a classroom learning, but it was totally different, a totally friendly environment, a nurturing environment, which amazed me, and I'm so comfortable here and enjoying my orientation and learning so much from the other fellows and the team members, also the founder. And yeah, I think the two key takeaways I would say would be the learning by doing. So that's what I was looking for during my internships and during my college days, and now I think I'm on the right path, and I think I'll be able to contribute more and will learn so much from here. So I have a background of research during my internships and in my college days. So I think I'll be improving my research skills and communication skills most importantly, and will be able to build empathy attitude towards the community. That's the skill I want to build during this fellowship.